Hi everybody, Kate from Darn Good Yarn here, and I'm going to show you our Mermaid Beach Bundle. So this bundle is super cute. We have a ton of beach themed colored yarn in a few different weights. So here we have some of our linen yarn. We also have some 80/20 sport weight here in this beautiful island glow. We have some lace weight and lace weight sparkle in Mermaid at the Beach and Tidal Pool. And let's not forget our super soft Van Gogh swirls and our icy sock yarn. You don't just get yarn though, you also get 3 beautiful different jewelry packs. These are DIY jewelry packs. They come with everything you need, minus just the tools you need. And last but not least, my favorite part is you get one of our sea glass diffuser bracelets. They're super, super pretty, nice and cute, and I love like the pastel stones on them. So if you have any questions about our Mermaid Beach Bundle, any of the yarn included, or any of our other products, please feel free to email us over at info@darngoodyarn.com and we'd be happy to help. Bye!